are at my newest listing at 1776 East Clifton in the heart of Druid Hills. So we are in this beautiful classic home. It has a gorgeous grand entryway up to a very nice wide staircase. We're in the formal living area that's very beautifully sized with original marble fireplace. There's a great little office right off of this space, as well as a gorgeous screened porch that you can watch from the front. So now we're in this updated kitchen. It is perfect for entertaining and is just off of the formal dining room. We have beautiful quartz countertops, sub-zero fridge, really lovely cooktop, and we have a beautiful light overlooking this banquet. It really is a perfect place to entertain or to have great family dinners. One of the things that makes this home special is that there are so many neat little nooks and crannies of unique spaces. So this is a sweet, cozy little den that's right off of the kitchen area, overlooking the backyard. It's the perfect place to relax. So you wouldn't typically think of this as a favorite spot, but I just love the size of this landing and the sweet little space that you can sit in overlooking the backyard. It's really the perfect place to read a book. And just a couple steps up are the additional bedrooms, 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath, and then the primary suite. So now we are upstairs and we are in the primary suite. This room is really large. There's plenty of room for relaxing with a seating area. You've got this beautiful fireplace, you've got a massive walk-in closet, and a beautiful ensuite bath with separate shower and tub. So this is an extra bonus. We are on the terrace level, and you have a separate entrance from the outside, or you can access this from the inside, but it's a perfect little in-law suite. You can use it to rent out, you can use it as a home office, or you can use it as your workout area. It is extra bonus space that you will love. In addition to this living space, we also have a full bath and a little kitchenette area.